How to create a WhatsApp account on your PC without using a phone. As you know, WhatsApp traditionally requires a phone number to set up an account. But what if you don't have a smartphone or prefer to use WhatsApp exclusively on your PC? Today, I'll guide you through a step by step process to do just that by using a landline number or an online VoIP services. First, open your web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're going to the official website. Now here what you can do is simply install the app. After you've installed the app, since we're not using a phone, we'll need to verify the account using a landline or VoIP number. Here's the tricky part. Verifying your phone number without a mobile phone. We'll use a landline number or a VoIP service to receive the verification code. Enter your landline or VoIP number in the phone number field on WhatsApp. Wait for the verification to process to fail via SMS, then choose the Call Me option to receive a verification code via an automated call. Answer the call on your landline. After you've answered the call, enter the verification code in WhatsApp and click Next. Now you're almost done. Let's finalize the setup. Enter your name and add a profile picture if you want. Click Next. Then you're now ready to use WhatsApp on your PC. You can chat, make calls, and use all the features just like a phone. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp account on your PC without using a mobile phone.